My name is Max and I'm an expert at building websites for detailers. This is one of many sites I built 3 weeks ago and it's already ranking on the first page of Google. I've also built many other sites that are ranking on the first page and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. And I'm going to show you the 3 most important things that you can do today to actually get more customers from Google and get you ranking higher. So make sure that you watch all 3 steps and implement everything I'm about to show you if you really want to rank higher and get more customers for your business. So the first step to actually rank your business higher on Google is to understand what you actually want to rank for and what keywords are actually going to get you results when it comes to Google search. So to find the best keywords, you're going to want to use the most reliable source, which is Google itself. So as you can see here, if we look up car detailing Guelph, we have one of my clients right here and up at the top here, so top 2 positions. So say you look up car detailing in your city, we're going to see here there's some related keywords. So these are keywords that people are searching in often, and these are keywords that if you rank high for them, you're going to get really good results. You're going to be able to get some customers coming in. So get creative, kind of try to figure out what keywords pop up here when you type in different terms. So Guelph car detailing, you can see here, and you'll see mobile car detailing Guelph. And there's some different keywords and stuff like that that you can kind of try and rank for. Some of them are going to be less competitive than others. Now you can also use another secret tool, which is the Google Keyword Planner. And you can actually input keywords into this, as you see here, car cleaning Guelph, and it'll tell you the average monthly searches. And this is coming directly from Google. So if you were to actually try to use Google Ads for this, you're going to be paying up to $3 per click, which can get expensive. But if you're using SEO, you can actually rank for this for free and get a lot of leads coming in without having to pay anything, as you can see here with the 1 to 10K average monthly searches. Searches that are like 10 to 100 are going to be okay, but you're going to want to go for those ones that have that 1 to 10K mark. So once you figured out what keywords you want to rank for, step 2 is actually learning how to build out web pages that rank for these specific keywords. So the actual trick to this is having separate web pages that rank for each of these keywords. So if we go here and we look at my client's website, we look at some of the pages that we have on here. You can see if I go down, I go to here, you can see we've got windshield repair in Cambridge, Kitchener, and then we've also got down here stone chip repair in Waterloo, and then the home page is, as you can see here, windshield repair in Waterloo. So we have different keywords that we're targeting, and we're always building out more pages based on these keywords. Now we also need to make sure that these pages are built out specifically to rank for these keywords. And so we're going to want to build out specific pages for location and different services that you provide, as you can see here, in combination. So windshield repair in Cambridge, we'd want to do stone chip repair in Waterloo, like we've done, stone chip repair in Cambridge, stuff like that. For you guys, it could be ceramic coating in your city, or paint correction in your city, or detailing in your city, mobile detailing in your city. All these different pages need to be built out so that you can actually rank for them. You can have a specific page ranking for all these different terms. If you try to rank for multiple terms with your home page, you're not going to get the results you're looking for because it's just too many different keywords to rank for in one page, and there's going to be too much going on, and you're not going to be able to kind of target in and hone in on one specific keyword for that web page. And so in order to actually rank these pages for specific keywords, you're going to want to make sure that the page is structured properly to actually rank. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So first off, you're going to want to make sure that your page has a heading. So right here you can see this is our H1, and you're going to want to make sure that the heading contains the exact keyword that you want to rank for. So our keyword in this case, windshield repair in Cambridge, and we have it directly in the heading. We also have it in the title of the page. It's the exact title, windshield repair in Cambridge. And if we look at our actual description of the page, we want to make sure that the first thing in our description is the keyword as well. So windshield repair in Cambridge right here, as you can see. Now we're also going to want to make sure that we put the keyword roughly 2 to 4 times throughout the whole website. So as you can see, we have it a couple times throughout the actual text of the site, and this is going to tell Google that we are relevant to the search, but we don't want to stuff it too many times, not overdoing it. Just 2 to 4 times is perfect. And then you're also going to want to put similar keywords throughout the page. So as you can see here, we have repairing windshields in Cambridge. It's not our exact keyword, but it is a similar keyword to windshield repair in Cambridge. Google likes that as well because it tells Google that you have valuable information and relevant information, but you're not stuffing the keyword. Now, something else that's also very important that a lot of people actually overlook is the alt text on your images. So every image on your site is going to have a text that kind of tells Google what it is. So as you can see here, we have alt text Rhino Auto Glass Cambridge. As you can see here, repairing windshield in Cambridge. This one, windshield replacement. So you're going to want to make sure that all of the images on your site have this alt text. This is going to kind of tell Google what your page is about. It's going to tell Google that you have unique, valuable images related to the keyword that you're trying to rank for. Now, the next step in actually ranking higher and building this page out perfectly to rank for your keywords is to have interlinking on the actual page itself. So as you can see here, we're linking to different pages within our own website from this page. So stone chip repair, we have this linking to our service page. Mobile windshield repair, we have this linking to a service page. OEE and OEM glass, we have this linking to a blog post for the site to kind of give some valuable information there. Keeping you safe, this is linking to another blog post and windshield replacement. And when Google sees that these are all interlinked, Google sees that you have relevant information and your website is a good source of information because you have all of these related to one another, linking to one another. You're going to have much better on-page SEO, and you're actually going to rank higher when you do this and you link other pages to your site, and just make sure that it makes sense in terms of the linking that you're doing. Now, the final step to actually ranking higher on Google, and this one is actually very important, is your page's loading speed. Now, the reason that this is very important is because Google likes websites that load fast because they have a better user experience. So I'm going to show you here, this is the site that I like to use to test my website speed. pagespeed.web.dev. It's a really good website because it tells you where your site's going wrong, and there's a lot of good benchmarks so you can kind of figure out what you can improve on, even if you're not an expert at web design. So if we look here, we can see that we have pretty good performance and pretty good all across the board, and this is going to help Google rank you higher because they see that your site is actually performing quite well. Some basic things that you can do to improve your site's speed: make sure that the images are in JPEG or WebP format. They're not taking up as much space and they're going to load way quicker. And then you're also going to want to make sure that you're using a lightweight site builder. In this case, I'm using WordPress, and I'm making sure that I'm not using too many plugins, and I'm making sure that I'm not using too much back-end code, too much stuff going on. I like to keep it super simple. And there's ways to make a beautiful site that's still going to be simple to load, just by making sure that everything's optimized. You're using SVGs for your icons, not using PNGs, stuff like that. But it is very important in terms of loading speed and search ranking. The two are related. Now, you have to remember, SEO is a long-term game, so it might take a little while for you to see results. But if you implement everything I showed you in this video, you're definitely going to rank higher, and sometimes you can even rank higher in a couple of weeks. Now, if you really want to grow your detailing business, make sure to follow my Instagram page in the description, where I post free content showing you exactly how you can grow your detailing business.